Christopher Kibazanga nga ye muganda w'omusinga wa Rwenzururu Charles Weziri mu mbere avumiridde alipoota eyafulumiziddwa ekitongole ekirwaniriza ky'eddembe mu nsi yonna ki Human Rights Watch ng'agamba nti erina bingi byaleseeyo.
Those who address this issue, especially from 27th upwards, they are making a very big mistake. You can trace this conflict, this misunderstanding from 5th July to 14th.
Obusambattuko bwafiiramu abantu basukka mu 9 mu kitundu ky'ekimu mu Julayi wa 2014 tebwayogeddwako mu alipoota. Kibazanga kyagamba nti kuba kutunulira kyamuli ensonga ezivaako obukuubagano.
So both sides created the situation of war. And you cannot have any control when the situation has turned out to be a battle.
Onera wakanya ekiteeso mu alipoota ekyokubonereza yaduumira ekikwekweto ekyokulumba olubiri mu kiseera ekyo eyali brigadier nga kati Major General Peter Erreru.
Now if I say they punish those ones, what about my royal guards, my mangoes, who killed policemen and destroyed the vehicles?
Actually, the Ugandan government was even late. Some of us even got surprised to hear that some of these people have been promoted. Actually, personally, I laughed off. I just said, I think there is a problem with my government.
Tubuuliza Kibazanga obanga bino abyogera kusanyusa mukama we eyamuwa omulimu.
No, look here, I am only saying this because I was caught in a fracas. 2014, I wasn't a minister. I was a member of the opposition. And they took a stand to build peace in Rwenzururu, reconcile, and make sure that we coexist. But of course, as you are moving to those principles, you must be tested. And this is a test.
Abaakoze alipoota baagala wabeewo okunoonyereza okwetengeredde ku busambattuko obwaliwo.
Because there are so many things that could have happened in Kasese that people did not know. People were covering a lot. That's on the side of government. They were covering a lot. And it could be a case that the Businga Rwenzururu was also doing some other things that the government didn't know. But let's come up with fact-finding mission.
Bw'abadde akyaddeko ku programu ya NTV ey'okumakya emanyiddwa nga Morning at NTV, omwogezi wa poliisi Felix Kaweesa agambye nti kino tekyetaagisa.
Uganda is a functioning state which has a strong foundation of rule of law. It has a strong judicial system. It's not a failed state. And there is no need of calling for any independent international investigations because the state is not failing.
And you cannot break this cycle of violence by proposing crime and punishment. It's crime and forgiveness.
Ng'emirembe gyeyongera okubukala mu kitundu ky'e Kasese, wakyaliwo ebibuuzo bingi okusinga eby'okuddamu ku kiki ekyavaako obusambattuko obwaleka nga bangi baluguzeemu obulamu.